Hello everyone and welcome to my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on December the 23rd, 2021 in Pietermaritzburg, South Africa. A number of houses and businesses around Pietermaritzburg were severely damaged. A dreadful storm followed after, which hit the city on Wednesday afternoon. Msunduzi municipality said that their emergency control center received a number of calls where residents were calling for assistance with flooding, falling trees and damaged roofs. The city said that its disaster management team responded to 2 houses in Sobantu which had their roofs damaged. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.